Are you tired of walking into a home that feels more like a to-do list than a retreat? If you're living on Florida's Treasure Coast, you're one call away from reclaiming your peace of mind. Welcome to Adita's Cleaning Service, your trusted partner in maintaining pristine homes on Florida's Treasure Coast. For over a decade, we've provided impeccable cleaning solutions, ensuring every property shines with 5-star quality. Our eco-friendly products protect the planet and promise a safe, healthy environment for your guests. Our expert team brings more than just a mop and a vacuum. We bring a proven system that guarantees every inch of your home gets the white glove treatment. We're a local service and we're trusted by Treasure Coast homeowners who know quality. Every clean comes with Adita's personal guarantee. Imagine coming home to spotless counters, gleaming floors, and the fresh, welcoming scent of a place that's finally yours to relax in, not work in. Click below and book your next clean now. Take back your weekends, impress your guests, and finally live the way you deserve.